because I watch all your videos. It's
You're our biggest fan?
now I'm
Are
nervous.
you our fan? I'll sign autographs after.
Unless it's a signature on a check, we don't want it.
Welcome to another edition of Vince is at Home. We have a very special guest this week, Mike Brown from Fantino Mondello. And Fantino Mondello is an Italian brand of charcuterie, pepperoni, salami, cold cuts.
Dry cured meats, yeah, absolutely.
This holiday season, a lot of us are preparing charcuterie boards. Do you prepare a charcuterie board?
Oof, many.
How about you, Mike?
I love doing it.
Do you make it?
Yes, I do.
This is your job at the house?
This is my job. Not as good as this.
But you brought this.
I brought this. I'd love to claim for it. I want a big shout out to Chef Saphir at Maple Leaf Foods. He prepared this for us last night, and he made sure to incorporate everything you see on the board can be purchased at Vince's Market.
You guys are great. Now, one thing that I'm noticing about your board that my boards don't have is all the empty faces filled with different things.
Immediately I noticed the Vince's own popcorn.
Yeah, I would never think to put popcorn on a charcuterie board. Figs, fruit, makes total sense. You got some savory with the sun-dried tomatoes. Got an assortment of cheese, Vince's own jellies. So Fantino Mondello is relaunched in the marketplace.
Yes.
I know we carried this brand for many years, and then they kind of went away for a little while, and now you're coming back with a vengeance.
Yes.
Tell us the story.
Well, it's just based out of Montreal. It's a 70-year-old recipe, Italian recipe. They try to make it as authentic as possible from the old country.
Cool.
We're relaunching it nationally because it was kind of a regional brand.
Yep.
We're really excited, especially the timing on this.
Yeah.
Launching it at this time.
Perfect time of year.
Charcuterie board time, so.
Love the pre-sliced packages. So one of the things about Fantino Mondello is everything's going to come in ready-to-use packaging, pre-sliced on the deli meat. As far as your cacciatories are concerned, you just cut this to size.
But I also noticed if you don't feel like cutting and you're in a rush,
You could just use a pepperoni.
Sure.
It's true. Our family's favorite pepperoni is the Fantino Mondello, so we're happy that it's back.
There's a whole lot of stuff that you don't think about putting on a board.
Yeah.
This is what our chefs at our company tries to do is incorporate popcorn, the figs, the pickles, what have you. Maybe not everyone likes, I can't imagine, but maybe not everyone
No,
likes
it's true.
dry cured meats.
Yep.
So something for everyone there on the board.
yes. And it's nice it's all on one board. Sometimes I do a charcuterie board, it's a little bit smaller, then you have like the bowls on the side of chips.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is just
yeah.
so nice, especially if you put it on your coffee table. I noticed our Vince's own cheese balls, which are great for the holidays.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
What's the ring around this salami?
Parmigiano. It's like a pepper
What'd you say?
infused Parmigiano. Is that? I'm sorry.
You and Mallory come from the same school.
My last name's Brown, so I'm Italian. I'm trying
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano
Yeah, why did you just automatically make hand movements? So it's a Parmigiano encrusted
with some
salami.
black pepper. Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, yeah.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, it's good. Solid. That's solid. I could eat charcuterie any time of the day.
Yes, it never
It might be
changes.
one of my midnight snacks. We got some beautiful brie. I know you got the Bella Vitano here. That looks like a white cheddar.
A little bit of Asiago, maybe.
That's an Asiago over there. Are those Rain Coast crisp? We got some kettle chips, which again, I would never put chips on a cheese board.
That's lychee nut, is it? Or
That's a fig.
It's a fig.
That's a fig. Okay.
But we love
Thank
lychee.
I'm not a fruit guy. I'm sorry.
Brown.
But I like this. It's like a little different. It's like a twirl.
Do you know how to make one of those?
A rose, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You know how to make a rose for charcuterie?
Yes.
Could you do it right now?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. Let's open up a pack. Hold on. You do it on top of it? I've never seen this before.
Easy peasy, you two.
Can I pirate this as my own idea when I
You
get back
can.
to my house?
Yeah, this is it. You're just overlapping.
This is it. You guys. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This is scary. What's happening?
Where are you going?
Oh, boy.
What? And that's so good because now you just take one off and it
Yeah.
doesn't ruin the
It doesn't
rose.
ruin
Thanks for being here today, Mike.
Well, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
To you and your family.
You as well.
Thank you to Fantino Mondello for providing all these
Yes.
lovely charcuterie, which we are now going to share with our entire team here.
Yes.
At Vince's
Perfect.
Sharon. We might even bring it downstairs on the floor and let customers enjoy it too.
I love
Which I think is what we should do.
Yeah.
It's got to be a mad frenzy.
Can I eat a piece of
I like
brie
it.
first?
Yeah, you can go first.
What? Like, is this salt and pepper? What is this?